We've been spoiled. For years, the X series has been the undisputed king of 360 cameras. But look at the market today, and you'll see the cracks. DJI is pushing hardware limits. GoPro is leveraging their ecosystem, and the competition has finally caught up. The Insta360 X6 isn't just another iterative update. It's a response, a calculated, aggressive move to reclaim the throne. Today, we're cutting through the noise, the filings, the patents, and the rumors to see if the X6 actually has what it takes to stop the rot. Let's start with the hard reality. This isn't wish list speculation. The regulatory filings in China and the UAE aren't just papers. They're the final checkboxes before a product hits the shelves. The signal is clear. The countdown has officially begun. Why does this launch feel different? Because we've hit a wall. 8K is already here. Stabilization is perfect. Simply adding more pixels won't cut it anymore. The X6's upgrade story is far more sophisticated. It's about how you use the camera, not just what captures. The crown jewel? 8K at 60 frames per second. For the action crowd, that's not a spec bump, it's a transformation. It's the difference between a blurry, choppy mess and a professional, crisp capture that actually keeps up with fast movement. Then there's the sensor. A larger 1-inch sensor aimed directly at the X5's weakest point, low light. We're finally talking about footage you don't have to delete the second the sun goes down. Pair that with 10-bit color, and you have a camera that finally speaks the language of professional editing suites like DaVinci Resolve. But the real wild card? AI that doesn't just track subjects, but tries to understand the edit. Imagine the camera prepping your rough cut before you even open the app. Is it a gimmick or to the future of content? We're about to find out. Why is this happening now? Because the gloves are off. Between the intense legal battles with DJI and GoPro's massive brand reach, Insta360 is fighting on two fronts. They're being pushed to innovate or be left behind. Their secret weapon remains the software. While the competition plays catch-up with hardware, Insta360's ecosystem is a massive, entrenched advantage. The X6 is designed to bridge the gap, taking that software dominance and backing it up with no excuses hardware. Mark your calendars for late August. We're expecting a price point in the $549 to $599 range. And yes, be prepared. This much power at 8K 60 frames per second is going to demand a lot from your computer's hardware. The X6 isn't just about winning a spec war. It's about reminding the industry why Insta360 was the default choice in the first place. Is it going to be enough to hold off DJI? Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit subscribe so you're the first to know the moment this goes official. Thanks for watching.